Good morning. Welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Aubrey if you're new here. If you are new, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Follow me on Instagram. I always link it down below, but I'll leave my name on the screen. My skin is like suffering from all the traveling, the planes, the diet. We're working to get this back on track. My nails also suffering. I had to take off all my tips and I lost all my length, but I painted them. I will link the color I used down below. I use hard gel and then a gel D&D nail polish on top, and I'm really liking the orange. I wanted to do orange because it's going to be like one of the last times I could do a fun summer color because fall is coming. I need to start transitioning into fall, even though that's really sad because I feel like I was just starting to get a bit of summer. I did feel like I didn't get any of that like summer beach vibes this whole summer until just recently. And now it's fall, so, but that's okay. I need to start shopping for fall. That's gonna be really fun. Oh, finally boiling. 1 second. Oh. I'm making my dog his food, which is just boiled chicken, and then he gets some dry food as well. So yeah, well, it's actually a Thursday, so it's not the start of the week, but we are just getting back in the swing of things of being back in our apartment in New York. We were in California for a week, and before that we were in Connecticut for a week, and that was basically the end of our summer. So we were also supposed to be getting our couch last week, and then we got home and it wasn't delivered, and we said, what the heck, where's our couch? And they said it's back ordered. So I was trying to figure that out, but we're going to be couchless for a little bit longer, maybe even a lot longer. So yeah, that's what's going on. I've been doing laundry nonstop. We've been home for like maybe a day and a half. Laundry nonstop, still not finished with the laundry, so that's fun. But yeah, today's gonna be like a get things back together day. So this morning I woke up, had my coffee, shipped out some orders. I'm rolling my face because I'm so puffy right now. I'm feeding Brooks. And then I shipped out some orders, and now time for my own stuff. I always start with my business first and then personal. Ooh. Brookie, it's not done. He's waiting very patiently. I put workout clothes right when I woke up so that I will go to the gym today. Hoping to get a Peloton workout in. We got some groceries yesterday. I'll show you. I didn't get that much, so I'll show you. Oh, here's a little fridge tour. Got some eggs, tomatoes, limes, lemons. By the way, if you don't have these, I'll link them down below. They're my favorite things ever. Spindrift. My favorite is lime right now, but they didn't have it, so we got lemon and raspberry lime. These are ginger beer. This is bruschetta that we made for dinner last night. Lemon, onion, and then a lot of produce. So we got carrots, cucumbers, peaches, apples, pepper, and we got Brussels sprouts. This is romaine, this is cilantro, and this is a head of broccoli. I think that was like everything that we got, honestly. Oh, and then Dan got some little yogurts. And then, what else did we get? This is looking like the pantry section for now. Oh, we got Skinny Pop, some garlic, an onion, and this bread alone whole grain bread, which is amazing. This is my little grocery haul. I get to use our new knives for the first time. How stunning is this? I love how it looks. We got the white because that was for me. The Wusthof was for Dan because he does most of the cooking. Okay, I'm gonna finish cooking this and I'll come back. Dan just made lunch. How freaking good does this look? We got a little bruschetta and some toast, couscous, roasted carrots, tomatoes, cucumbers, and a lemon spindrift. Alright, time to unpack these bad boys and start on the many loads of laundry. Alright, Dan built this organizer we're gonna put in our closet. I'll show you. I just pulled everything that was on the ground because right now we just have like a hanging space and some bins, and this is gonna get organized better. We're gonna put that organizer down here so that we have more space for things like this, like jeans and bins and everything like that. So this is the before. Good morning. Time for some breakfast. I'm gonna make a little, oh, we don't have any fruit. Wow, my hair has a life of its own today. Got this yogurt yesterday. Chobani Greek yogurt, coffee and cream. And I really want to try it. I wish we had like fruit or something. I mean, berries. But we didn't. Let's open her up. How cute are these little spoons? I can't. Okay. Yummy. Yum. Not bad. I like it. Alright. I just did my nails. Hello. I'll link the color that I used down below, but I just did one color, small tips. And now we're headed to the gym. Not wearing anything fancy, just these Adidas leggings. They're like the 3 stripe. And then this Uniqlo shirt. And I'm gonna do legs, maybe Peloton. But my arms are really sore from yesterday. Say hello, doll.